Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. These components are common to most AprilAire humidifiers. The parts in your model may look slightly different, but the assembly procedure is similar. The plastic component should be washed using mild soap and water prior to replacing the water panel. The panel must be replaced annually. On the back of the box are clearly printed instructions for your model. The spray paint mark indicates the top. Let's slide this together. You'll notice notches. These notches line up with the tabs in the distribution tray. Snap that together. Now the assembly is complete. This side here with a little hole in it will go towards the inside of the humidifier, and this side will go towards the furnace or ductwork. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.